One more swamp dog left. Just keep on curing every wounds. I'm not getting tired. Swamp dog goes down. Great. Your party has won its 56th battle. All surviving party members receive 766 experience points. And they were just beasts. I doubt they have anything. Yeah. That's the downside to adventuring. If you just kill beasts, you might not get anything. On the upside, the people who are the most injured are the people who are diseased, so... Gather money, healing. Cheap apostates, get out! You know, I'm gonna have to look up what that word is sometime, apostate. Ah, here we are, Kobold Captains. Cast. And don't worry, I'll just look it up myself. I'm not like being like, hey, somebody look it up for me. I forgot to unequip that sling. And since they're all busy sleeping, I just auto-attack through them all. Explosion, what a surprise. Ooh! Plate armor +2. Trade this off. It's plate armor, so it's even better than plate mail. Remove splint mail. Equip plate. See? Very nice. Trade item splint mail to Gene. And have him remove that splint mail and equip that splint mail. Very good. Good deal, eh? Good deal. And we'll rest up right here. Beggars, zombies, and men-at-arms. Cast, sleep. Die, zombie. Cast, turn undead. Dang it. Apparently, turn undead must only face the first stack that it's in. So, let me test my theory out. If I take down those beggars, and now the zombies are up, if I cast turn undead now, nothing. Now, well. Search for treasure. Sigh. I really don't know why the Hermit is being like he is right now. You know, failed open trap. Shouldn't be happening every other time like this. It's just nuts. Shoot. Why not? Can't do that much damage to me. And they'll give me a nice bunch of experience, too. Nice! And if you could see me right now, I'd be making a thumbs up to screen. I just like the reward is all. Cast Cure Wounds, Cast Cure Wounds, Cast Cure Wounds. And you can see already why this game is going so much faster. It just turbos right through all of these encounters, you know? You can do that if you want to. You don't have to. You might not always want to, but there are times when you definitely are going to want to. Creepy crawler, winged steeds, phantasms. I think we can handle this. It would be nice if I had lightning bolt, but I don't. I'll have to go to Sansabar to learn it. Cast sleep on some goblins. That'll cut down on the ability for them to be able to do any damage to me. Goblin sleeps. Goblin blah 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 blah. Bless everybody. And easy as pie. Alright, let's head down to Turkov's training. I'm beginning to think, too, since we're beginning to not have any problems with these creatures. Well, whatever. Let's see our gold. Gather gold. Great, we've got more than enough to share gold. We have enough both for exploration and to buy the lockpick. So follow me, won't you? As we go out to get our thief a lockpick, and hopefully he'll stop botching up those treasure chests. That's my hope, anyways. The nice thing is, too, if you feel so inclined, you can buy 2 lockpicks, and 2 of them, I do believe, stack. Out to Volcania, and here to the Volcanian Export Company. Up north we go, and where are you? Drunhold Ironworks. Okay, Hermit. Gather yourself your money, because you are going to buy a Thief's Pick +5. Nice! And now he shouldn't fail nearly as often once I equip him with this. Watch his Thievery, it's 34. He equips it, 54. Almost, but not quite doubles. Needs still 12 more for it to double from there, or 14 more for it to double. But that'll still help him pick locks a ton. The only other thing that will increase his thievery, other than thief picks, would be levels. And levels we don't have so much of right now. I'm just gonna cast Cure Wounds on Terwin. First aid everybody. Top out our HP real quick. There we go. Character, Cassie, cast Light. You know what? On second thought, before I forget anything else, I'm heading back up here and I'm saving my game. I really don't want to chance things. Sign registry, registry sign, we're good to go. Leave the inn again. I also should probably sell some of this junk, too. Sell items. Large club, small shield. Wow, I thought I had more junk than this to sell. But as you can see, we're making out a lot of money right now. Moon phase of prawn last 60 days. Okay. Insect plagues. This is what worries me. Cast electric arrow on insect plague. Shoot insect plague. Ooh, they're swarming. Well, it's better than doing 255 points of damage. I'll take that any day. Insect plague goes down, and I keep forgetting to remove his dang frickin' cast, turn undead. Nice. Got some eradicated zombies. Doesn't do anything for accursed corpses, but whatever. Okay, now get rid of that other insect plague. Got it. Oh, that's no good. Apparently, for some reason, the game thinks that the cripple is the most dangerous target of this bunch right now. Personally, I call BS. Oh, noes. I might have turboed a little bit too fast there. Felgar, can you attack him? Okay.